Assalamualaikum. Can you solve this math problem? Yes, you can solve if you watch this video complete. We solve this math problem by using BODMAS. According to BODMAS, first we solve round brackets. Solution: minus 36 as it is plus 2 square brackets 3 plus curly brackets. First we solve round brackets. Minus 2 plus 4 we get plus 2. When we solve minus 2 plus 4 we get 2 plus 3 as it is curly brackets close and square brackets close. Now we solve curly brackets according to BODMAS. Minus 36 as copy plus 2 square brackets 3 plus 2 plus 3 that is equal to 5 and square brackets close. Minus 36 as copy plus 2 3 plus 5 that is equal to 8. Minus 36 as copy plus 2 times 8. Minus 36 as it is 2 times 8 that is equal to 16. Minus 36 plus 16 when we solve we get negative 20. So this is correct answer. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video.